Welcome back to another whiskey tasting. Today we're going to do the Glenfarclas 25. Glenfarclas is family owned forever. It's one of my favorite brands of whiskey. It has consistency. It's simple, always tastes what it's supposed to taste like. And this bottle here is quite delicious. It's a Glenfarclas 25, like I said. It's 43%. It's mature in the sherry oloroso casks. No fla with this bottle, I promise you. Let's open one and see what's up with this. There you go. And I don't know if you can see the color here. It's not, oh, there you go. It's a nice amber. This is natural color. They don't add any coloring in this. Smells fantastic. Again, we're in the setting of a restaurant, right? We're not trying to kill our customers or shock them to death. Smells like fruits. Maybe a little hint of smoke, but nothing crazy. Just like a little reminder that, hey, I'm a single malt. So, this smells like, you know, when you get a good bottle of wine, you smell it. It smells like this. Like, it smells balanced. I'll try it. It's smooth. You can taste the sherry, but it's not a sherry bomb. I think this is maybe a little bit of fruit cake, like orange peel. Let's try again. Apricot. I would say there's a little hint of smoke at the end, but it's very, very light. It's not like a peat smoke. It's a very light smoke. It's complex, but it's clean at the same time, right? There's some whiskeys are complex, but they're not very clean. You get lost a little bit in taste. This one here, you don't get lost in taste. It's very, very clean. This family makes, you know, the Glenfarclas, right? They don't like have big name cask or stuff like that, but they know what they're doing, right? I have the entire collection here. I have the 8, the 12, no, sorry, the 8, 15, 18, 21, and 25. And I have to say, I enjoy this family because the simplicity in which they make their whiskey is from the 8 at 60, I don't remember, 60%, yeah. You can see the trajectory where the whiskey comes from and where it's going. It's not being like too much meddled with. Again, well-rounded. I think it's so clean. After a meal, at lunch, dinner, make a great breakfast whiskey as well, if you ask me. But yeah, it's easy going. You gotta remember, we're in a restaurant, right? So we're trying to match things with things, right? We try to not offend our customers, and we try to make them discover something that is acceptable for them to drink. I think I paid for this bottle, I paid like $125. I think for 25 years old, it can get a lot more expensive, a lot faster if you go on a Talisker or yeah, even like a Lager. Well, then you go to 30. But my point is that for the price you're paying, I reckon for a 25-year, it's kind of good. And because it's not a multinational that owns this company, it's family owned, right? They don't have investors, and they don't have like board meetings and stuff like that. They don't have to borrow money to expand or anything like that. They're just a classic malt company. It's very, very good. To give you an example, right, I've got a bottle of 8 here, and even I think the 8, of course, is too young. It's cask strength, that's 60-something%. But even then, when you drink it and you respect it for what it is, you understand where the whiskey is coming from or where it's going to go. And actually, it makes a nice story in your restaurant. I do a flight of Glenfarclas, like the 5 bottles, and I put it on the table to help people discover, like, all right, how did we get to 25? And then if you start with the first bottle at 8, right, you go like, oh, okay, I get it, then I get it, I get it. And then when you get to 25, you go back to 8, so okay, I see where this is coming from. So it's one of my favorite companies, and actually, they're not very expensive. The labels don't change much. They don't have like many like a limited release or special edition or stuff like that. They're pretty true to themselves. I think it's very, very nice. If you get a few minutes, open in the glass, tastes even better. It's well balanced, right? There's no like I said, nothing shocking here. Everything is where it should be, and I like this bottle because of this. I also like the 12. I also like the 15. I think they're all great, so don't worry about it. If you see a bottle of Glenfarclas, right, depending on the budget you have, just go for it. You won't be disappointed. There's no surprises. You know what you're getting. It's like a Glenfiddich. Glenfiddich, right? You're 12. You know what you're getting. It's good, solid whiskey. Same thing with this family here. So anyway, that's that for today. And if you guys have any questions about any other whiskeys, just leave a question in the comment section and I'll be happy to open a bottle and review it with you. Catch you later.